What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I haven't been posting a lot of videos because I had my birthday last Monday and then I got sick. So again, apologies for not following the schedule, but I should be able to get back on track. So in my personal opinion, I think Tesla is headed up, and I'll go over the reasons why. So the chart is telling me that it's looking bullish because in the past there was a prior uptrend in play. That's what this big yellow channel represents. It was a big uptrend, and then the bears made two legs down. So this is one leg down by the bears. Market generally moves in twos. This was the second leg down. Once the target was reached, what do you know? It was the bottom for this move up higher. And price could not stay below the 211 level because in the past it was resistance, and now it has turned into support once again. So again, those are bullish signs. But not just that. You can see that price did make two legs up recently. So this was one leg up off of that level, that sub 200 level. And this was the second leg up. Market generally moves in twos. And right when the second leg is up, second leg was met, that's when price started going sideways. It wasn't really sure because we made two legs down and then we had two legs up. So where did we go now? And then price started going sideways, and then it tried to break up higher, but then you can see the market reset. It made two small legs down. So it made one leg down here, price pulled back, this was the second leg down. So when the market reset, that tells me we can make another leg up higher because we had a huge move up higher, a small pullback, which can lead to another huge move up higher. So this is the leg right over here. So this is one leg up right here. Combining the first two, move it to the pullback, and it takes you right to 286, or yeah, right around 287 would be the target for Tesla in this move up higher. And not just that, the reason price should move up higher also is because price was able to push through this downward trend line right over here. You can see that it was acting as strong resistance for this swing high here, this swing high, and obviously you had two swing highs, and these were the starting two points. So obviously the bulls were able to break through it right over here. We have a measure move and play higher. Price is above the EMA, which is a bullish sign. And we have this yellow uptrend channel in play off of the swing lows. So again, there's a lot of bullish reasons why price should move up higher towards that 286, 287 level. So that would be my target for Tesla. So it's looking pretty good for the upside. If price somehow does break down lower, it needs to stay above the 240 level. If it can't, then I think we could see the 230s and the 212s once again. But right now, everything's leaning towards the upside. So that's everything I see on the daily chart. Let's go over the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that price was previously in a downtrend. That's what this orange channel represents. It had an overshoot. Overshoots lead to strong reversals in the opposite direction, which is what we got. And sometimes it marks the bottom. Price broke the channel. And then the bears made two attempts lower to get back down to this prior low to jumpstart the downtrend, but they failed. And you see that we're still reversing towards the upside. So the longer term measure move target isn't still in play. This is one leg up right over here. This is the second leg up, and the bulls are attempting to reach the 395, basically the all-time high level in the future. Sometime in possibly 2024, it would be right around, sometime Q2, Q3 of 2024, if the market continues in the way it's been moving, it can reach those sub right around the $400 level, 395, possibly even 411. So again, weekly chart is looking pretty bullish as well. Markets has been having consecutive green weeks in a row. It's above the EMA, continues to push up higher. It broke that downward trend line, and also technically, when price breaks a trend, you expect two attempts in that direction. So going back to the daily chart, when price broke this downtrend, what do you see? You see two pushes in that direction. So you can see those two strong pushes in that direction, and the bears failed. So there's a bullish imbalance going on. Now we're seeing we saw two small pushes up. So this is one push up, two pushes up, and the market wasn't sure what to do. So these two are just one now. And we're seeing a pullback. Now we're seeing the second attempt. So we're seeing the second attempt for the bulls to restart this uptrend and make a new high. So again, the bulls still have that opportunity as well. So everything is practically stacked in favor of the bulls. The EMA is pointing up and price is above it. So that's one. Price broke this downward trend line. So that's two. Price is in this upward yellow channel. That's 3. Price can make a second attempt higher to make of this prior uptrend. That's 4. And we have a measure move in play at the 287 level. So that's about 5 reasons right there. So 5 very big reasons why price should continue to move up higher. So we are seeing a pullback early. Again, nothing's guaranteed in the market. Everything moves in attempts. So if we are pulling back, we might just retest this maybe mid 240 level. And then, you know, we're off to the races. We'll have to wait and see. But it should stay above this level right here, the 240. If it somehow breaks below, that's not a good sign. But there was already a breakout of this consolidation right back over here. So normally the second one in the same direction is not going to fail. It's usually going to succeed. So everything's looking pretty good for Tesla. Technically, fundamentally, I'm not too sure. But again, technicals will override the fundamentals, especially in the short term. And, you know, that's why sometimes bad stocks rally off of bad news. Sometimes a stock that's losing money will also rally because, again, traders are just looking short term. They're looking at the technicals, and they don't really care about the fundamentals. So right now, it's looking pretty bullish for Tesla. I'm expecting 287, and then possibly the 400s if everything goes well. But right now, it's more likely price will reach the 287 than the 400 level, obviously, because it's a shorter time frame. So that's all I have for Tesla on the daily chart. And weekly charts, this is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.